day-to-day life, we use so many different machines to make our work easy and fast, like mobile phones, television, refrigerator, bicycle, and so many other things. So, we can say a machine is anything that makes our work fast and easy. We all know that machines are man made things. A machine can be an electronic machine or non electronic machine, but they are always helpful. Now, we all know that a computer is also an electronic device which can do different kinds of work. A computer is fast, it is accurate, and multitasking. We can play games, watch movies, do calculations, and send and receive messages using a computer. Now, as our human body has many parts and each part does some special function, like we have eyes to see, nose to smell, ear to hear, and hands to work, legs to walk. In the same way, computer too has different parts and each part does some special work. A computer has four basic parts. They are the CPU, the monitor, the keyboard, and a mouse. Let us learn more about these basic parts of the computer. So, the first one is the monitor. A monitor is a display device. We all have seen a monitor and we know that it looks like a television screen. Whatever we draw, type, or play, we can see it on the monitor. The second part is the CPU. CPU is Central Processing Unit. It is also called the brain of the computer. It connects all parts of the computer and control their working. The third part of the computer is the keyboard. It is a writing and typing device. It has 104 buttons called the keys. These keys can be used to type letters, numbers, and give commands to the computer. The fourth is the mouse. A mouse is a pointing device. As we move the mouse, we can see an arrow moving on the monitor. This arrow is called a cursor. It is used to draw, select icons, and open files or the folders. Apart from these four basic parts of the computer, there are few more devices that are used with a computer. These devices are the printer, scanner, headphones, and speakers. So the first one is the printer. A printer is used to print your work on a paper. You can print images and letters using a printer. Second device is the scanner. Scanner is an input device and it is used to put your pictures into the computer. The third and the last one is speaker and headphones. Speaker and headphones are used to listen recorded songs, voice, speech, and other type of sounds from a computer or a mobile phone. So, that is all about the machines, computer, and the parts of computer. Thank you.